पिक्चर लावला
पिक्चर फिल्म
कैसा पिक्चर
काय केलं किती कळले सीडी आणले प्लॅन अनाउन्स केले तेगे सीडी आता नाही काय आता नाही बरं तुम्ही रिचार्ज करताय पैसा ते भूत आईची केला पिक्चर फिल्म काढता पिक्चर फिल्म पिक्चर हॉले पिक्चर घालणार चोड लायक जाता त्याची परस ते आमगे बेबदूल आते मात चोड लायक जाता कित्याक ते बेबदूल मी सारको मोग कोता हांव ते मोठेला मोग्गू करून म्हाका नाकाचे स्प्रिंग बसले आलोता घोकड्या जागे
It's really a pleasure and it's a privilege to hear you on the stage today. And I would like to express my gratitude for whatever you do to the Goans. And moreover, because you've been helping this theatre to maintain our culture. Thank you very much, Mr. Devi. Okay. And once again, I tell the people that the name of the shop is Apna Desh. And you cater more to the Goans. Thank you so much. Director side. Joseph, I requesting Xavier Dias, organizer and promoter of the theatre. Xavier Dias. And also Victor the Ribander, who is a pillar behind the director, JOYCELAN. Okay. Could I request Viola? Viola, could you just present the bouquet to Mr. Devi? Thank you very much. आज असले मनीस आमच्या मध्ये तियात्राक आदार दितात जाल्यार आमचे तियात्र मुखार वचत रावतले आनी आमची गोंयची परंपरा ट्रेडिशन विल बी अलायव. Could I request the director JOYCELAN to say a few words?
I won't say much more, but I would like to thank Mr. Sunny for helping us in this theatre and promoting our theatre culture as well. Thank you so much, Sunny, for your great help towards our theatre. Thank you.
They were director English to like that, Mr. Vedic, Konkani Tiatr. Mr. Vedic, will you say a few words? Thank you very much. Your hands together, please, for Mr. Vedic.
Good afternoon, Goan community. Actually, my legs are trembling and standing here. I have no confidence at all. But that is me on the left side of that is advertisement. What I'm going to tell to you people, that is not going to be advertisement. I'm going to share two things. One is testimony and one is the encouragement message for all the Goan community. In 2022, I'm a born Christian. I took birth in a Hindu family, but I'm born Christian. So in 2022, I was just sitting in my room praying alone, and suddenly the God put it in my heart to pray for the Goan community. I didn't have any idea that I'm going to open a Goan shop. So I said, why God is putting in my heart while I'm praying to go pray for the Goan community? So I started praying for the Goan community because that time they started coming to this country, 2020, 19, 20, 21. So after 4 or 6 months maybe, I opened the shop. I expected all the Punjabi people to come in. All Goan community came. So I wanted to say, so God helped me through my prayer only to open the Goan meat shop. It was not my idea, but somehow it happened. And there are people who helped me, like Michael, he was there, his brothers is there, they helped me to reach to the goals, to provide the meat for the Goan community. one more thing I wanted to share to you. 20 to 25 years before Punjabi community they came here, so they prospered a lot. And I'm telling you now is your turn to prosper. This is Goan people's time to prosper. You are blessed in Jesus, you are rich in Jesus, you are righteous in Jesus. So never think when you see another communities they are doing that, never feel inferior or anything. Just go for it, whatever you feel to do, whatever God puts it in your heart. Never think like we can't do it, we are small community or something. You are the salt of this country. I thank God so much. Before, all the churches were empty here around. South Hall, Hanslow, now they all are there is only because of the Goan community. Which God has sent it to this country. So it's the plan of the God to send you all here. You're not by mistake in this country. There's always a plan. So I thank God for all the Goan community and I pray to God so that they're going to prosper more and more. And they're going to establish their businesses, their good jobs, and they're going to look after back home as well. As we all know, the Goan community, they are really hardworking. They go to work, they provide back home, they look after the children over here. So over the period, definitely this community is going to grow up. You're going to come, you're going to rise up like a bubbles in this whole country. This I'm telling you. And before closing my topic, just wanted to tell you, I go to this church, Southall Church of God. It's just like 5 minutes by walk over here. So my pastors, they are building upper building. So if the God put it in your heart to like give £1.50 or something for the blessing, for the building, please don't hesitate. It is for the work of the God. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Binti. It was really surprising that you are a born-again Christian, and it was really nice. What you spoke, I don't think any pastor or priest could speak like that. Thank you very much for the words of wisdom and telling us about Jesus and His work. Thank you so much. And then you said your legs are trembling. So I'll advise you, every time a theatre is there, keep on giving donation that will bring you, then your feet it becomes stronger, that will be used to come again and again. Thank you very much. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Benny. God bless you once again.